Hello guys, and welcome back to part 4 of this video. This is going to be my last part of this video. 345014 is coming in with a terminating TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street. Our triple lot of 321s are not in service now. I think they're on the move. Yep, all his doors are locked. Well, 431, sorry, is off. Probably off to Ilford sidings or whatever. If you guys know, just let me know in the comment section below if you know where it's going. And it's original National Express livery, and there's something else coming in. I'll get that for you. Next up we have 317. Moving away slowly, as you do. And on the rear is 321446, and it's blue doors and white body colour. George Mulligan or whatever. 66 wasn't expecting that either. If you guys know what that 66 was, because I couldn't see it, just let me know in the comment section below. If you didn't, just tell me, and I'll be sure to try and catch other 66s and whatever passes through when I come here again. Okay, so we've got 345s in Shenfield Station for the win. If you want me to come back here, just let me know, and I'll be sure to make my way over here again. It was very interesting, this station. Very busy, a lot of traffic. This is in evening rush hour on a Friday, so I would expect loads of traffic. If there's any other stations or places you want me to visit, just let me know, and I'll be sure to check them out for you. I thoroughly enjoyed this station, actually. Very interesting. And it was very interesting for me to get all the numbers. Because you have to be prepared, you know. You have to keep your eyes and ears open. Right. Are you going? Indeed you are. Oh, hello. Well, for the last train to go is our 345005, which is for London Liverpool Street, making its grand movement to London Liverpool Street. I do like these units. And going down the line there, let me just zoom in so that you guys can see. There we go. Right, as she continues on to London Liverpool Street, I shall leave it there. Thank you for watching these videos, part 4 I believe, or part 3, one of the two. So make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you do not miss a thing, and leave a like on this video as well if you enjoy them, and I'll be sure and happy to make more videos just like this. Well, until then, I shall see you in the next video. Take care guys, goodbye.